Hello from Bdgt-Soft, an easy calendar budget, the powerful, easy-to-use personal budget spreadsheet. This is a quick tutorial on how to set up Easy Calendar Budget, Standard International Accessibility Edition, for Excel for Microsoft 365. Check out the description box for more information. Follow these 4 easy steps to set up your calendar. Step 1. Read and agree to terms and conditions on the terms worksheet. Then, press the Control and Page Up keys twice, or select the Calendar Worksheet tab. Step 2. From the Calendar Worksheet, enter the date in cell J1 to set your calendar. Step 3. Follow prompts to enter your budget start balance. And Step 4. Rename default expenses in cells D10 through D27, which you can do 2 ways. You can rename all default expenses. Or, for more flexibility, you can delete some of them, making them blank, and name them later in the calendar. For example, you could rename just your weekly expenses, and leave your monthly expenses blank, entering them as needed. You can also rename any expense for a particular day, later in the calendar, for either method. That completes calendar setup. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, comment, or subscribe if you found this video useful. And thanks for choosing Easy Calendar Budget.